Let's take a look at starting a new survey for the Public Land Survey System. I'm going to choose File, New Survey, and Browse. Traverse PC is going to take me to my working folder, and I'm going to tell Traverse PC I want to start a new folder. We're going to call this G0001. Press Enter. Let's open up that folder, and let's put in our file name now, G0001.trv. So we'll just use the same file name. That establishes our survey file name up here. We can type in additional information now about the survey itself. So let's call this a dependent resurvey. Let's put in a location, whatever is appropriate. And a job ID would be G0001. We're going to do this in feet. So we've set all the survey information that we need. Next, let's click on the coordinate reference system, and it's set to whatever we used last, which is the one I want to use now. So NAD 83 for the continental US, Oregon South, international foot, and I can just double check that my ellipse is set to GRS 80. So I'll close that out. Everything looks good there. Finally, let's set our project factors, and really all I'm looking for here is to tell Traverse PC what project elevation I'll be working at, and then I want to pick my preferences for distance. I'm going to choose the PLSS option for geodetic distance and project elevation, and my preference for direction. Again, I want the PLSS option that says true mean bearing using mean course convergence. Once I've picked those preferences, I'm really done with this dialog. I can choose OK, and I'm now working in a survey called G0001.trv. Let's get past this initial dialog here, and I can go back to Tools, Survey Information, and edit any of this information. Here I notice, for instance, that I accidentally put in range 14 west. That'd be out in the ocean. Let's change that to range 8 west. Or I can come up to the Task Manager, and I can look at the survey information. Here's the information I just typed in. And down at the bottom, I have the option to edit survey information, just like I did before. And once again, I can make any changes that I need to the survey information. I'll go ahead and cancel that here. So everything that has to do with this G001.trv survey is ready to go now.